is for helicopter, spinning round and round. I is for ice cube trays, making cubes so cold and neat. J is for jaguar, swift and sleek. K is for knight, shining armor so bright. L is for lamp, glowing warm in the night. M is for mixer, spinning cakes just right. N is for notebook, where ideas grow. O is for album, wise and full of grace. P is for police car, sirens loud and bright. Q is for quartz, a measure so neat. R is for rabbit, hopping and greet. S is for sandwich, a tasty case. T is for telescope, looking at the stars. U is for ugly fruit, juicy and sweet. V is for vehicle, rolling on the street. W is for wand, magic in your hand. X is for X-ray fish, swimming so clear. Y is for yo-yo, spinning up and through. Z is for Zint, strong and bright.